Good morning. My name's Natasha Soderberg. I'm the associate head here at Butler Montessori. What should you bring for your primary child? You should bring a healthy snack, a healthy lunch in a lunchbox that has a cooler. Things that are cold will be taken out and put in the fridge. You should bring a water bottle, indoor shoes, because they change into different shoes when they go inside. It helps children to understand that they are caring for their own environment. It also helps with their independence if they have to take their shoes on and off and on and off and on and off. You should, in the summer, send in a hat, sunblock, and bug spray. And in the winter, we go out no matter what the weather is, so please remember a hat, gloves, and good solid shoes that they can run around outside in and be very comfortable. All year round, you should be wearing closed-toed shoes, preferably not Crocs, because it gets the things stuck inside. It's very uncomfortable for them. They can't move freely on the playground. What else in the primary? Oh yes, a change of clothes. Very frequently our children are working with water, or they're getting muddy in the creek. And of course they're little, they're so busy with what they're doing they might have an accident. So please send in a change of clothes with extra underwear and socks, so that if their feet get wet they can change. And then the most wonderful thing to bring of all is the children's boots. At school, when they go to hiking and they go to the creek, every child has a pair of boots that just lives here. They're usually, up to the knee and rubberized and can take anything.